My name is Harald Hasselblad. I work at Volvo Car Group in Gothenburg, Sweden. I work for the group working with weight management. The name of the group is Weight Management and Optimization. Volvo Cars is a big company, a really inspiring organization as I see it. We can see that CO2 and fuel economy is becoming much more important nowadays. The new requirements, I think, puts much higher pressure in the early development phase. The new XC90 that was released has 10 million finite elements in the model. The earlier XC90 that was released before had 300,000 elements. So then you can see the increase of the detail in the simulations we have to verify our products. So it's about generating a culture around simulation-driven development. We call it an optimization culture arena. The arena tries to support this increase of knowledge within the whole organization. Instead of having a center or team locally doing this, it should be part of the culture. That's what we try to do. We train the organization in what's possible, what we can, and we support with method development, guidelines and tutorials, lessons learned. We have a certain amount of people and we work to take away physical testing and replacing that with simulation. We have really high knowledge and expertise in that. What we see now is that the demand for simulation-driven development shows up in the organization. The CAD engineers start to ask for, could you optimize this component? Also, product managers tries to see, okay, do we have optimization activities within the product development plans? Altair has good experience in this upfront simulation, topology optimization, early phases. Since we are trying to use more simulation-driven development, the Altair experience and products is really interesting in that early phase of development.